The waters are filled with jellyfish. Very dangerous.
The box jellyfish venom is the most venomous venom in the world, and it attacks the nervous system, the heart, and the skin cells. It is very almost impossible to avoid death from this.
Cassowary are very common, very much like ostrich and emus. You will find these roaming around. Their feet look just like dinosaur. Very dinosaur feet. Whoa, jump scare. Let's go back to a cute one. Here we go.
They say that the cassowary is the most dangerous bird in the world, but that is only because their feet is super strong and can actually harm someone. They're actually very shy and just very unpredictable.
And here is another dangerous animal. Crocodiles. Very dangerous and very common in Australia and Africa. Crocodiles are very aggressive. Do not want to mess with these guys.
The saltwater crocodile is mostly active at night, but can also be around during the day, so stay on guard.
If you dare to camp near these reptiles, make sure you keep something sturdy between you and the